Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you will learn on how to create sub collections in Shopify. So the very first thing that we should do here is we have to log into our Shopify store. Okay, so we can open any of our web browser and then just visit the Shopify website. So to check your account or if you are in the right store, just simply click on your profile at the top. Okay, so after logging in to your Shopify store, the next thing that we are going to do here is to click on the product section. So this one right here. Okay, just simply click on it. And then the next thing that we are going to do is to select the collections option. That's right. Now just simply click on this add collection option at the top. Okay, this one. Okay, so we can give this collection a name. So for example, men's clothing. So I'm just going to use the same name. Okay, so just type it right here, clothing. Okay. Next, you can also put here a description for this collection. The next one is to select the collection type. So we have manual, so you'll add products one by one, or the automated, so products get added if they match the set conditions. So for example, like product tag is equal to men's. Okay, so we can also add a description or image if needed. So for this one, I'm just going to select the collection type is manual. Okay, so we have the browse our products. I'm just going to select this products and then click on add after that. Okay, and then if you would like to add your image, you can go here and then choose your theme template. After that, simply click on the save option at the top. Now, the next thing that we are going to do here is to create the sub collections. So we have to for the sub collection, we have to make a smaller collection that act like a subcategories. Okay, so still in the product section, go to the collections and then create another collection. Okay, so let's go back here and then click on this add collection option at the top right. And then we have to name this one. So for example, men's shirts. Okay, just tap out right here. And then again, just add here the product description. And next one is to set the conditions so products automatically go here. So for example, we have product tag is equal to shirt or product type is equal to shirts. So I'm going to select the smart for this one. Okay, so I'm going to select product tag. So the tag is equal to shirt. So I'm going to type it right, shirt. Okay, so if you would like to add another condition, you can do that as well. Just simply click on this add another condition. So after that, just simply click on the save option. And then if you would like to set your product or sub collection in a way where you can see the image clearly, so you just have to drop or add your image right here to upload. After that, just simply click on the save option. So for this one, you just have to repeat the process for other subcategories like pants, jackets, or shoes. Okay, so you just have to save each one. Okay, now the next thing that we are going to do here is to assign the products correctly. So here we have to go back to the product section in our Shopify admin. So for each product, we have to scroll down to the tags or product type section. Okay, so I'm just going to select this product. Okay, and then I just have to scroll down all the way to the tags or product type. Okay, so we have to look for the product type. Okay, so here it is. So for the product type section, we can add the right tag or product type so it matches your collection rules. Example, for a polo shirt, we can tag this one as shirt. So this ensures products appear in the correct sub collection. Okay, so here this is the collection, right? So we can see here now the collection section. So here we have the men's clothing and the men's shirt. So it's all good now. So for the tags, we can just tap it right here, like for example, shirts. Okay, and then for the theme template, you can just click on this one right here and then select your theme template. Okay, now after that, we just have to save this section. And the next thing that we are going to do is to set up the navigation menu. So to do that, we have to go back to, we have to go to the online store. Okay, and then go to the navigation, or open your main menu, or whichever menu you use for your store header. So we can click add menu item, so we can name it as men's clothing. Okay, so here let's just go to the pages. Okay, so here we can add page or navigation. So let's just go here to the themes. Right, so let's just customize this one. Okay, so just wait for a couple of seconds right here. So we have here now our products. So let's go to the options at the top. So we can create here now another project, or we can just go here to the collection section. Okay, so we have default collection. Okay, so we have this one, and then we have here now the collection list. Okay, so we have the men's clothing, and then the men's shirt. So you can clearly see here now all of those. So we can also add another menu item for shirts and link it to the men's shirt collection. So you just have to drag the shirts under the men's clothing, indent it slightly, so this makes it a sub menu item. So we just have to repeat for pants, jacket, and etc. And then we just have to save this option. And then lastly, we can now preview our store. So you just have to go to the online store and hover over to men's clothing in the navigation bar. So you should now see shirt, pants, jackets, and drop down as subcategories. By clicking them, takes customers directly to the right sub collection. So we have it now right here. So let's try to preview this section. Alright, so just simply click on the view option. Okay, and then we have here now the collection. So we can now finally see here the collections that we have created. So if you have many products in your store, so you'd be able to see here now the rest of those products. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.